Hello, teacher. I am a student, Mayra Lorena Ernesto Miranda, Corporation University Socar. Today, we are going to about a news articles in report speech. Report speech. She has me in you can dress up for Halloween without harming the plant. Catherine Selby's other claim has shown Cherry Guerra see that round one for people special. So owes to see me between ages of 18 and 30, but clothes at Halloween and Christmas, knowing when they will only wear them for a short period of time. The greatest environment impact on the parent is the manufacture. manufacture. She said that it is about again and only used once or twice, halving energy that is deposited and that garment is lost. She said it is trying going to various days yet on TikTok with a goal of helping a pink Halloween consuming my line so Lu don't have to. Mr. Elvis said that influencers could become more educated in educating the impact of fashion on the environment. I could have already the impact on younger consumers. She said that things like hashtags Amazon Halloween consuming on TikTok will feature videos encourage users to purchase instead to copy creation Halloween look. I have been viewed viewed 109 million times. Thank you. Bye bye.